Hi YouTube, and welcome to my channel. It's Demograffix, aka the best looking ugly kid. And today I'm doing a community mural, voluntary work. So I started painting white over the janky tunnel graffiti that's here. You see it's a right state, it's flaking off the wall. So I'm using a watery coat to soak into the brick. And on this side behind me is an old school mural which has been trashed. So we're going to refresh that and bring some bright, vibrant colours to the area. So yeah, I'm just showing you the less glamorous side of the graffiti and what I do before you see all the cool stuff. Hi YouTube, I'm back and going to be cracking on with this wall here. It's going to be another Disney themed characters and maybe Little Mermaid, covering the issue of waste, so plastic in the ocean, that sort of thing. Maybe we'll have some plastic bottles and that floating about, and the message is to look after the environment and pick up your rubbish. So yeah, the other day I managed to crack out and get a nice base coat on here. I've still got to do a blue on this side. I got stopped by some annoying Karen saying that she had the full permission for this wall, which wasn't the case. I actually had the permission, so I'm now back to carry on what I'm doing. So that's me done for today. I've got both sides of the underpass painted. I was going to do some sketching, but I'm going to let this dry and come back tomorrow and do the sketching up. But yeah, both sides are nice, looking nice and blue. And today we're in my new pickup truck, the Ford Ranger. Just purchased this vehicle. It's a 2017. It's perfect for what I do, a daily use of transporting my paints and all my other gear. And we're going to be travelling to Bedford in it. So there was a change of plan for today. The guy who had the shop in Bedford just he didn't tell me that it was on the stairs, and I don't really like taking on jobs that are on stairs. You need scaffolding and everything, so that job couldn't happen today. So today I'm down in Stevenage again, and I'm going to be doing some more character work on the Little Mermaid wall. So that's me done for today. I've got Ursula on the wall. She's the octopus lady with her two electric eels. I've got Sebastian the crab on there. Managed to get Little Mermaid and the fish, flounder. And then over here we've got Trident, the Trident character, Triton I think he's called. But there's enough space for two graffiti writers on the wall. So you can see the truck is just perfect for transporting all my paints. I've got 3 of these crates and they just slide in, and I've got my trolley and bench in there as well, so it's just ideal. So I've got the Little Mermaid on the wall now, Ariel and Flounder. People seem to be loving it. People always ask, do I get paid for this? Yes, I do get paid for this, but this work is voluntary. So I do these big community murals and they act as like adverts for what I do, and then I get paid for those jobs when people ring me to do bedrooms, etc. So I've got some base colours down on Triton or whatever his name is. Ariel and flounders looking good, and I managed to get the detail and everything filled in on this Ursula and Sebastian. She's also got her 2 electric eels as well. So back again at the Little Mermaid wall, just unloaded the beastie behind me, and going to start doing some more work to the Little Mermaid wall today. So Echo has come down and done a piece. I did invite someone called Kesp, but I'm going to fill that space myself now. The filling's done, so I've gone for a matching filling to Echo, so I've gone with oranges into a yellow into greens, and now I'm going to try and do like a black outline just to sort of stay in sort of link with Echo's piece to balance out the wall. So yeah, just trying my best to mimic what's going on the other side. So I think that's me done for today. Got my letters up, got my fill in. I'm going to probably come back and do the background on another day. I've got a job on tomorrow, so probably on a rainy day I'll come back, finish off the background and do some underwater stuff. But yeah, that's as much as I can do for today. Okay, so it's first week of August and it's pouring with rain. It's Saturday morning, and to be honest I really couldn't pull myself out to be here today in this tunnel, but we're going to get this finished. The Little Mermaid wall has been dragging on for a little while now, but yeah, we just need to get the background finished, add a message, so maybe some plastic bottles in the sea, that sort of thing. But yeah, it's the ones that push themselves to do the things they don't want to do to make shit happen that are going to succeed in life. So you've got to just sometimes just get on with it, even if you don't want to be doing it. Just make it happen, basically. So you can see behind me it's pouring with rain, and I've got my trolley of paint down here and all my cans. I'm using a lot of loop at the moment just because of what I get from Al Fresco. But yeah, pop it, the wall's looking good. Just gonna finesse it with some finishing touches and get it completed. Then it'll get a coat, sealing coat, so anti-vandal clear coat will go on top. Okay, so I'm at a stage where I'm happy with the wall now. I've filled it out, I've got the background in, I've got some seaweed in there, I've got some rubbish floating about. But yeah, just planting the seed of the message about recycling and putting your waste in the bin. So it's not in your face, but it's subtle. You can see we've got a Coke bottle flying over there, but it's an upside down McDonald's for waste food. And we got Coca Joker, and down here we got a Tesco bag, which is actually a Pesco. But yeah, we've just got a subtle message going on about recycling. Here it says, do something drastic, recycle more plastic. So a nice positive message going on throughout this underpass. I've been fitting this work in between jobs, so it's kind of dragged out for a few weeks. But on this side behind me is going to be a Finding Nemo. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to my channel to see the Finding Nemo one. But I'm going to wrap this video up now. This is going to be the Little Mermaid video. So here we've got Echo, who used to write Toke, but I'll put his social handle here so you can check him out. So once again, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.